Hello there guys, today we're in the eastern Algarve in a lovely town called Vila de San Antonio, abbreviated to VRSA. It's about 60 kilometers east of Faro and it's right on the Guadiana river that splits Portugal from Spain. I thought we'd come and take a look, see what it looks like in November. So come and join me guys. I'll spin the camera around and I'm in the main square outside the municipal camera, which is like the equivalent of our town hall. And it looks like they're getting ready to do it up for all the Christmas festivities. And it does look absolutely beautiful all lit up here at Christmas. Might have to pop back and show you all the lights. I'm going to pop round the back streets and check some restaurants out. Have a walk around, see how busy it is. It's pretty quiet up to now. But anyway, it's nice to have the sun back, guys. Had a torrential rain, that Storm Claudia wreaking havoc on the Algarve. So it's 20th of November, about 1 PM, 20 degrees, back to shorts and t-shirt again. So down these pedestrianised streets, there's loads of shops, bars and restaurants. Yeah, it does seem a little quiet at the moment. I have tried to time it, so we're banging lunch hour. Hopefully we'll see lots of people wining and dining. Restaurant 2000. Mundo Creperia. Still a bit cold for the ice cream. It's really quiet. Normally this is busy all year round because it's a working town. This place does tapas. Nice little statue there. There's a Father Christmas. Carousel de Cidade, English breakfast. That is a great place to come, this. It's situated, you can reach all the Algarve on the train, all the way up to Faro, and then you can change if you want to go western. There's a great transport network with the buses and trains. And not only that, you're perfect for jumping on a boat, going up the Guadiana River to lovely towns such as Alcotim and Murtala. And also, you can jump on the ferry, 15-minute ferry ride over to Spain, to Ayamonte, sample some traditional Spanish tapas. Yeah, this place as well is known for its high quality linen for your bed sheets and towels. I do know people come from afar to buy them from here. It's supposed to be excellent quality. Yeah, the village is very, very quiet. A Portuguese shop. There's one of them in every town. Looks like the shops are staying open throughout lunch. Oh, it's a ghost town, guys. I'll weave my way through the streets and get onto the main avenida. See what's happening at the marina. There are some beautiful buildings here. What's that place? Galneiro Publica. A few more cafes down the side streets. That's nice, isn't it? Materia Ambri. And you can see all the Christmas decorations up there. So I'll come back at Christmas and get all this all lit up. So you've got a bistro bar latte. Just doing your traditional English fish and chips. Does taps as well and a full English breakfast. There's a couple more down there. There's a hostel there as well. Emilia Hostel. Okay, it's like a Dutch and English. I've seen that one before. Super. So yeah, traditional English and Dutch bar that. Serving Greek salads as well. Gastro tapas bar. Yeah, being very close to Spain, a lot of the restaurants do serve tapas. Nice one, nice smell from there. Gastro bar tapas, homemade with fresh products. Start from $3.80 the tapas. Smells lovely. When I've been here before, this place is rammed normally. So do dish of the day at this one. There's quite a few down here, cut down here. So menu tapas again, there we go. Just get you some price on that, guys. All the tapas from €4 all the way up to $7.50 for the clams. There's a bit more action along this little street. Restaurant Kuka, very busy. Soup €2, bacalhau €10, sardines $12.50. Excellent value for money. There is the fresh fish of the day. Some beauties there. Yeah, Restaurant 2000, we just showing you that from the other end. We'll pop back onto the main street again. Oh, dog-friendly restaurants, that's nice. Yeah, plenty of souvenir shops open. This cafe is pretty busy. It's got like the entrance for the Christmas activities just in front of us. Get onto the main avenida where the marina is. So this is the main avenida right opposite the marina. I'll see if there's any action at the restaurants that are up here. Wine shop. I've just got to say, if you come here on a Sunday, guys, you won't hear many Portuguese voices. It's all Spanish. Because on the Sunday, all the Portuguese nip over to Spain, and all the Spanish pop over here for a day out. Now these are normally chocker any other time we come. No way, I can't believe how quiet it is. Can I let one single person in? Check a couple more out. Nope, all dead. Well, I know where there will be a bit of action. The other side of the marina. I'll just show you that now. There's the marina, guys. Spain in the background, just on the other side of the river. Go and have a look where the ferry is. See how often they run, maybe how much it is. I've never actually been on the ferry. Every time I've gone over to Ayamonte in Spain, I've drove there. So I'll have to check that little boat trip out. Pop over and have some tapas one time. And there's a couple of cracking hotels just in the background there. That's called the Guadiana Palace, that one. Or just there. I'll get a better view of that hotel. Yeah, so there it's called the Grand Hotel Guadiana. I have been in it, it's absolutely beautiful. This restaurant on the river should be pretty busy. Let's go and take a look. We've got the old-fashioned petrol stations there. Not many of them left, is there? There's a snack bar on the left. That's pretty busy actually. We've got the main restaurant right on the river. There's a few people in there. I've actually eaten in there. The food's very nice. I think we had a cataplana when we went there. It was a couple of years ago. They've got stunning views over the river. We'll have a look where the boat departs. Police station, and just in front of the police station you've got a campsite which is really good. It's I think it's about €6 a night to park there, and there is a cracking little rustic restaurant at the back end of the campsite, so we'll go and have a look at that. There's got to be a few people in there because I think it's hundreds of campers parked up, which will give them a bit of business. And here's the tickets for the ferry. Right, ticket office is open, so it still must be running throughout the year. I'll try and get some prices. Take a snapshot of that, guys. Gives you the timetable. Take another snap of that. Gives you all the prices. There's a campsite. Goes back quite a distance. There's, last time I came, that little building there, it was open. All the fishermen were cooking the fish on the barbecue outside. Yeah, there's that little snack bar restaurant. It looks like it's been refurbished. All the builders are going in there, taking part in. And this is the part where you catch the ferry over to Spain on the other side. This is the second part of the campsite. It's not really a campsite, it's just a parking for motorhomes in a beautiful location and great facilities right on the doorstep. So it's a nice little restaurant at the end here. Hope it's open. We got a few people in. Got French cantons, Portuguese, German. It's closed. It's a bit of a letdown. This place is normally bustling. Unfortunately, it's closed. You got the guys fishing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little walking tour. I'll leave you with a view of Ayamonte in the background. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.